Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 11th, but I'm recording the video for December 10th as I had some family visiting, so I couldn't do the video yesterday, Friday. So here we go. So Palantir, we closed down 27 cents, closed at 18.94. Let's look at what we have on the chart. We have been trending between $19 and 2010. And Thursday, we respected the support at $19. And last Friday, so Friday, we did not do that. So this is a little bit disappointing. We could not even hold the 19. So we closed at 18.94. And we have been following this decreasing middle of the channel resistance. And look at this, make this up. We touched it perfectly on the high of the day. So maybe this resistance is going to make us go even lower with the Palantir. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. This is the 9:30 candle. So yesterday we were, as I said, above 19. We opened Friday higher and went up to this gray middle of the channel resistance. And then we're squished down and directly went under 19. And during the rest of the day, we just maintained ourselves just under 19th. But yes, this is a little bit disappointing on the 1 hour chart in terms of indicators is showing that there is not much strength left. You see here stochastic when the price was at, let me see, at 1942, stochastic went under 60 and then the stock just dropped. Let's go see the daily chart. This is what we have. So we are still higher than the low that we had on December 6th, where we stopped at 1822. Let's see if we are going to come back on 19 or if we are going back to 1822. In terms of indicators, I think I mixed some of those up. So in terms of indicators on the daily chart, 15 stochastic, RSI super low at 32. MACD looking like it's gonna cross over though. So that's the only indicator that is somehow telling us that something might change soon. And DMI is also very bearish. Yeah, so pretty disappointing. It's not very clear that Palantir is yet about to turn around. So we are going to need a couple more candles to see if this is coming soon or not. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. And if you are, we are going to talk on Sunday, where we are going to look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir for those people who are more long-term oriented in terms of their investing. If not, we are going to talk on Monday. So I wish you a great weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.